Hey everybody, it's Kimberly from Umwanda and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes. I'm a little under the weather, so unfortunately I won't be able to sing the little intro song, but you know, cue! If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back, or if you're new, welcome to the channel. Yeah, so today we'll be doing a story time. Not just any story time, it'll be an acted out with scene story time. My friend shit on somebody's car type of story time. Yeah, we going there. Here we go. Okay, so basically, in the city of Lubbock, it ain't really much for you to do, right? It only works out if you go to tech, if you go to tech, or if you go to tech. You know, those three options. Otherwise, you pretty much stuck, right? So, sis calls me up one Friday, right? And she's like,
Hey girl, I was calling to ask you something.
Yeah, what's up?
Friend just called me and said she want to go out tonight. You want to go?
Where she wanna go?
Some bar downtown.
I mean, shit, let's go. I ain't got nothing else to do.
Okay, good. Just let me know when you're ready so I can come get you.
All right, bet.
Okay, just so you know, we actually going to spy on her mans.
Huh?
Yeah, I know, right? It's crazy. Friend said her mans go to this bar normally, so we actually going to spy on them.
It's never that serious, but hey, okay, whatever. Just give me like an hour to get ready.
All right, girl, I'm finna see you.
All right, bye-bye. They hit me for 15 for this.
What?
Some other nigga paid for it, so it's all good.
Oh, girl, I was about to say.
Where old girl at? What time she getting there?
She was on her way, but she had to cover for somebody at her job.
You see what time it is?
Girl, I know. You don't have to go there. I know. She said she coming, so just calm down.
We don't even know why we're here. We don't even know who we're supposed to be looking for.
Girl, calm down. It's not even that serious. We don't even know who the boy is. Leave it alone. Stop being a little brat. Don't look at me like that.
Okay, girl. This whole situation funny, if you ask me.
Girl, no, this some fuckery. Okay, it is what it is. We here, so we gonna deal with it.
He kind of cute.
Who?
Well, look at him.
Girl, boo, he been staring in this section for a while, and he not even buying us drinks. Stop it.
So sis finally show up to the club, right? And I told y'all the city's small, right? So sis got other friends. And this other girl, we gonna call her extra pop up, right? But extra friends wouldn't have left her because they really wasn't feeling the scene. More like it wasn't black enough for them. So they left. And extra was just like, you know what, I'ma just pop with y'all since I know y'all or whatever. So
Hey, bitch, I made it. Hey. Oh, Kim, this is friend. This is Kim.
oh hey, nice to meet you.
Hey, we finna link up. Hey, yeah, God. Thank you, girl. It's Stripes. So, girl, how was work? Oh, girl, it was fine. Y'all seen him? Is he here? I've been looking for him all day. Girl, you just got here. How you been looking for him all day? You just got to the club. Right. My bad. I'm tripping. All right, y'all. So y'all ready? We about to go to his house and bust in his shit. Cause he not about to play with me. Wait, are you dead ass serious right now? Yeah, girl, why not? I know where he stayed, and he got me fucked up. He ain't been returning my calls or my texts. He should know better. I'm that bitch. So we just gonna pull up to this nigga house and just rob his ass. Hey, can I like ride with you guys back? Oh, hey, extra, long time no see. Yeah, sure, you can ride with us, but we about to go pull this mission real quick. So, you down or not? I mean, yeah, as long as, you know. All right, so I'm going to run in this shit, and y'all follow back door, okay? Y'all got it? Yeah, girl, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's get in the car. Let's do this shit. You know what? I'm going to shit on his car. That nigga got you fucked up. Hey, bro, you real crazy. That's why you my bitch. Hey. Sorry, leaving. Hey, we finna get lit.
Y'all, I don't think this is a good idea.
I think we should totally do it. I'm down if you're down.
The guy don't even know who we are. This don't sound like a really good idea. This sounds really bad.
We're gonna be fine. I'd say shit on his car.
Huh?
You heard me, shit on his car.
What?
You think I should? What?
Girl, chill, relax. Stop. You egging her on.
I'm just saying, niggas ain't shit.
That's a cop.
Girl, you right. Niggas ain't
Where's
shit.
Fred?
I should definitely shit on his car.
This is about to be so much fun.
Call her. Bloop, 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 bloop. These are Kim's inner thoughts. How did it even get this far? What did I do to end up in these situations? Why am I here? Why didn't I just stay at home and read my books, as my mama always told me?
Let's drop in his house, bro. Oh shit. Look, I need a mask. No, I don't need a mask. I won't go to jail, right? Okay, wait. I'm 1 minute away. I am OG parked behind his car. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Yo, we really like this what? Huh?
So I kid you not, y'all. We pull up to the apartments, right? And sis and friend both jump out the car. And they're like, you know what, we just gonna run in this house. We just gonna get this nigga, you know what I'm saying? And then they tell me, can you please be the getaway driver, right? So I hop over and get in the driver's seat. And I'm still contemplating how we even got this far, you know what I'm saying? Like, how was it that, you know, we here doing this at 3 o'clock in the goddamn morning, and, you know, ain't no police nowhere, nobody outside. I know it's people that can hear us yelling and screaming and stuff like that, so I don't understand why they ain't called the cops yet, and how I'm still in this situation. And they walk off to his house, right? So I'm over here, I got the window down trying to hear if it's the slightest bit of I don't know what. I'm pulling off, and I'm leaving sis and friend. I'm not, I don't know. I don't know if I told y'all, I'm not ride or die. Please do not depend on me. I will call the police on all of us, including me. I do not play that shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm listening or whatever. And then like, let's say a good 30 minutes pass. And then sis and friend come back to the car. So I'm thinking, oh Lord, it done actually went down. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a wrap or whatever. They're like, nah. Friend called somebody, and that person spent the entire 30 minutes talking her out of, you know, running in this guy's house or whatever. Which I support you, supporter. Like, you know, you tried your best, and sorry to say that you only got half of the battle done, because they come back to the car and they're like, you know what, we just gonna key your shit, bust windows out, and we gonna shit on this car. I kid you not, y'all. As they walk over to this dude's car, keys in hand, and, you know, getting ready to do the do, he walks up. Sis literally jumps in the back seat of her car. Note, the door was still closed, but the window was down. So she just hop in through the window. Her legs still dangling out the side. And then she just starts whispering, "That's him." Bitch, we know. Extra just in the back doing whatever. I'm in the front freaking the fuck out. Hey, how you doing? Good afternoon. Well,
Hey, what's up?
Good evening. Good night.
Good evening. What y'all
Girl,
doing?
I think that's him.
Hey, friend, what y'all doing here?
We just came to say hi to
Yeah, they
friend.
came to say hi to me.
She said she wanted us to come visit her.
Oh, I ain't even know she lived over here. Y'all ain't told me you stayed here.
That's him. That's him.
I can hear it. I know. I know now. Trust me. He can hear you.
Act casual.
Babe, why you in the backseat of your own car?
Shh. He's gonna see me.
Hey, is this the most awkward thing you've ever been in? Because it is for me.
Not really.
Girl, do you think
Can y'all please just chill out for a second? He is standing right here, and he can hear everything that y'all saying.
Oh shit, can he? Damn.
So what y'all finna get into? What y'all about to go do? Huh?
Yeah, we just gonna go home, because this not...
Y'all go ahead. I'ma stay here with him.
You what?
It's cool, y'all. I'ma stay here with him. Don't you get in the middle, girl. Just let them do whatever they want to do. It's up to them.
All right, then.
Bye, Billy.
Y'all have fun.
Bob. We'll see you later. Nice to meet
Get
you.
this motherfucking front seat so we can go. Come on. All right, y'all. That's the end of the story time. So if you like the story, make sure to leave me a like. Leave us a like. And make sure to comment and subscribe if you already haven't or if you don't mind to. We also got Twitter. I know I be telling y'all we got Twitter. I definitely told y'all we got Twitter. And we got Instagram now. They both the same name, at Umuada. I'm going to leave the options open in case I decide to put it over here or under here somewhere. And we'll see you later. Boom.
Igbe. Ọ̀gá mi ẹnu gbẹ, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹnu gbẹ.